About them southbound Freightliners right there.
Not sure which one you're looking for, driver. I think there's 3 or 4 of them in the line.
Yeah, I know they're on another channel there.
They passed me just a second ago. I could hear some sound like they were one up or one down from 19.
Yeah, roger that.
The black car, you copy there, black car?
Yes, sir. How we doing today?
How you doing, man? Hey, why you got too many cameras? You get the speedy record in the road? That's nice. I like it.
No, we came to, folks that look at my channel. They want to see some Freightliners, so I hopped out here so we can get some shots of you guys.
It does load. Nice. Very nice. Somebody around Jacksonville, you got a car like you, but it's got a different car. You got a Charger. Very nice car to do. He say you check the road, stuff like that.
No, I put these videos on Big Rig Videos.
Very nice, man. Have a nice day, man. Thank you for answering the radio, man.
Yeah, no problem.